Today I'm going to be reviewing beard oil from Dadude. Oh, that is a satisfying noise. So some of you may have noticed that I have some facial hair. You may not have noticed if that's the case. Surprise! It's here! It's surrounded by the dreadlocks but not attached to. It's adjacent to the dreadlocks. And beards can take a little bit of looking after. You don't have to do it, but if you don't do it, the beard will get upset. And you want to have a happy beard because you share your face with it. One of the easiest ways to keep your beard happy is to oil it. At least in my experience, that's the best way forward or the simplest way forward. And so when Dadude offered to send me some beard oil for review purposes, I took them up on that, as you can tell by the fact that it's between my fingers. And I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and so I'm ready to deliver my verdict. First off, you can see it comes in this cardboard tube that makes that wonderful noise when you open it. Oh. In fact, let's put the bottle away for a minute because I just want to... I'm keeping this. This is mine. Working our way forward, you get a glass bottle. It's a brown glass. It's colored to protect the oil from the sun. I think that's why it's colored. You get a nice dropper. I really like the droppers you get on beard oils because it makes you feel like a mad scientist. I don't know where my mind goes sometimes. Da Beard Argan Oil by Dadude, made in Sweden, 50 milliliters. I've been applying it by taking one, I don't have the technical words for these things. I squeeze the balloon part, it pulls up oil, and I dispense that onto my palms, rub it between my palms, and then I massage that through my beard, starting at the sort of skin and working it through with my fingers until it is fully sort of distributed, and then I follow that up with a nice gentle brush with an appropriate comb. The first thing that I noticed about the beard oil is its scent, in that it doesn't really have much of a scent, and you know, that's often what a lot of beard oils are sold on, you know, their wonderful smell. Often the first thing you do when you check out a beard oil is you open it and it has a really strong smell, and that's great and good and wonderful, but it's not always what you want, and I actually see the benefits to that. I mean, sometimes it's nice to have a beard oil that has a smell, but if it's first thing in the morning and you've had a late night and you're up early and you feel not great. I'm not a morning person. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that, but I don't always want a super overwhelming smell, strong smell enveloping my whole face. It doesn't work for me first thing in the morning all the time. So a nice neutral beard oil definitely has its uses. Once we get past the scent, a few things. First off, it gets absorbed really well by my beard, in that after I've applied it and I've washed my hands, if I bring my hands back to my beard, they don't feel greasy. Like the oil has been absorbed by the hair and there's not a lot of excess still on the outside. I don't have to worry about my beard being oily or greasy afterwards. It's just the right amount. One of the main features of a beard oil, or one of the best things for me about using a beard oil, is the treating of the skin underneath the beard. This oil does a really good job of caring for my skin, so I don't have any irritation there. Thumbs up. The beard oil makes my beard ludicrously soft, but still manageable. It doesn't make it so soft that it flies away. I mean, I get that my beard isn't that long, so I don't have that much to fly away, but it's manageable. And so when I brush it, it stays in a shape and doesn't become too wild, and that, again, great. So overall, my verdict is positive. The Dadude Beard Oil by Dadude is a nice product. It has a neutral scent to it. It comes in a nice sized bottle. It will last quite a while. Because of its presentation, it would make a cool gift. And it is a beard oil that I am happy to recommend. If you're interested in checking out this oil, I will leave a link to it in the description below. Or if you use a different oil, let me know what your favorite is in the comment section, and maybe I will check it out next. If you like this video, found it helpful, useful, informative, enjoyable, do click a like or a subscribe. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you next time. Farewell. Warning, side effects may include playing with mustache, because it remains soft and pliable. I really need to brush up. Haha! Brush up. Brush up on the technical names for, like, what is this? Like, I want to say it's called a nipple, but I really don't think that I should. No. That's enough. That's inappropriate. That's too far.